Hey there everybody, it's Sharon with simplycanning.com. I am out in my garden today and I am harvesting some dill. I actually have a row here of peas that are done and I'm cleaning up that row, and in amongst it I have some dill plants that are growing. The dill, if you look at the heads, has not gone to seed yet, and so it's actually not ready to harvest. However, I want to get this cleaned up. I've got dill elsewhere. So I am going to go ahead though and harvest this little ferny part of the plant, which is actually the leaf, and that is just called dill weed. I use this in recipes like with my venison and things like that, and so it's really good. I don't want it to go to waste. You can put it in eggs and things like that. We don't prefer it in our eggs, but I've heard lots of people do. We really use it in cool summer salads, tuna salad, chicken salad, things like that. We use this a lot. So all I am doing is I'm just sitting here. You can pick it off with your hands, just like I did there. You can bring a scissors out and just cut off those little branches, like so. And I have a little bowl here. I'm just going to collect a bowl full, and then the rest I'm just going to pull. It's going to go in either my compost pile or out to my chickens. But this dill weed is yummy stuff. I live in an area where it is dry enough. I can go ahead and just let it air dry. You could put it in a dehydrator. You could put it in your oven on very, very low, like the lowest temperature that you can get, and dry that. Store it in a little airtight container in your kitchen, and it's good stuff. You can also use it when the pickling cucumbers are ready. Then I can also use this in my dill pickles. So, cleaning up the dill weed, I wanted to get that online for you guys. Is there any questions you have? I'm making this super duper short. We're at like less than 2 minutes here. That's like a record for me. So if you're here, please leave a comment. Love your posts. Thank you, Todd. Marie is here. Phyllis is here. In Nebraska, is it hot in Nebraska? I bet it is. So I'm going to go over this again once more for those people who are just coming in. I am harvesting dill. I'm actually harvesting the leaves of the dill plant, not the dill seed. The leaves is this little ferny part here, and you can use that in all kinds of recipes. You can use it in dill pickles. I make a venison pot pie that I really like. The flavor of dill just adds to that, and so you can use it in eggs. You can use it in summer salads like chicken salad, macaroni salad, things like that. It's really, really delicious. So anyway, I got to get to work. It is hot out here. It's almost lunchtime, and I'm ready to go in the house. You guys all have a great day. God is good. We'll talk to you later.